Looking to reclaim desk space and improve your desk ergonomics? The Kanto DMS single and dual monitor mounts can help. The Kanto DMS uses an easy installation clamp or grommet mount that can be secured from above any desk up to 2 inches thick, eliminating the need to crawl under the desk to secure your mount. We implemented a toolless monitor quick release mechanism that makes installing and removing your monitor from the arm quick and easy. The adjustable tension gas spring allows the mount to support monitors weighing up to 16.5 pounds and provides easy movement of your screen. Effortlessly raise the center of your screen up to 9.5 inches from the desk and set it in the most ergonomic position for your unique setup. Need to work in portrait orientation? No problem. The DMS Monitor Mount series allows for easy, on-the-fly screen rotation. Cable management channels are provided to keep your cables out of sight and neatly organized. Declutter your desk, improve your ergonomics, and customize your space the way you want with the Kanto DMS series of monitor mounts.